Vision disability is one of the top 10 disabilities among adults 18 years or older. 93 million adults in the US are at high risk for serious vision loss. 12 million people over 40 years old in the US have vision impairments. 1 million of them are blind. Real estate data is only conveyed visually, but millions cannot view real estate in a meaningful manner. Access to MLS data has not increased in a thoughtful or affordable way. Be a voice for the visually impaired. For the blind, Amazon's Echo and Alexa are more than just technology. They are a lifeline. Steven Tyler, Director of Assistive Technology for Leonard Gesture Disability, said, 5 years ago, Alexa would have definitely been an accessibility product. Today, it's a mainstream product. It just so happens the Echo ticks all the boxes around accessibility, and it's accessibility in spades. Voice makes real estate accessible. Audio description has the potential to significantly increase the accessibility of the home buying process for visually impaired individuals. For the blind, the ability to shop from home is limited to the expensive technology available and the participating websites ADA compliance. The result is very limited listing data that is difficult to dissect. It's the equivalent of house shopping without internet. The solution: bring your listing data to the Internet of Voice. Here are 3 ways to ask Alexa to find your dream home.
Alexa, find me a house.
Alexa, are there any homes for sale near me?
Alexa, help me buy a house.
Let's begin your home search. If you know the exact address, say search by address. Otherwise, say search by city or search by zip code.
Search by city.
Okay, what city and state would you like?
Atlanta, Georgia.
What is your maximum price?
$400,000.
What is the minimum number of bedrooms you need?
4.
And the minimum number of bathrooms?
2.
Okay, great. There are over 100 properties matching your search. Starting with the most recently listed, you have 2559 Sibley Drive. This is a townhouse with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, measuring 2,509 total square feet. Listed at $399,000. Say yes to hear more about this property, or next to hear the next one.
Yes.
Welcome to 2559 Sibley Drive. Ready to move in, elegant, abundant, luxurious 4-bedroom, 4-bath home in a gated community of Buckhead Park at Lenox is the home you are seeking to find in Buckhead. What can I tell you about this home? You can choose from the following options: property overview, HOA, or parking.